If your Google Play Store is not opening or keeps crashing, don't worry. This is a common issue that can happen because of corrupted cache files, outdated app updates, or problems with Google Play services. In this guide, I'll show you several simple methods to fix the problem and get the Play Store working normally again. The first solution is to clear the cache and storage of the Google Play Store. Temporary files stored by the app can become corrupted over time, preventing it from launching properly. Open your phone's settings, then go to Apps or Manage Apps depending on your device. Find Google Play Store from the list of installed apps and tap it. Next, select Storage. Tap Clear Cache first and then tap Clear Storage or Clear Data. Don't worry, this process will not remove any of your installed apps. It only resets the Play Store's settings, search history and preferences, allowing the app to start with a fresh configuration. If the Play Store still won't open, the next step is to uninstall its updates. Sometimes a faulty or incomplete update can cause the app to stop working correctly. Go back to the previous page, then tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. Choose Uninstall Updates and confirm by tapping OK. This restores the Play Store to the factory version that came with your device. Once you reopen the Play Store while connected to the internet, it should automatically download and install the latest stable version in the background. Another important step is clearing the cache for Google Play services, since this system app works closely with the Play Store. Back to the app's menu, search for Google Play services, then open it, then scroll down and open Storage menu. Then tap Clear Cache only. Avoid selecting Clear Data, as doing so may require you to sign back into your Google account and re-authenticate payment methods such as virtual cards in Google Pay. After completing these steps, restart your phone. A reboot refreshes system processes and ensures all changes are applied correctly. Once your device turns back on, open the Google Play Store again. In most cases, it should launch normally and function without any problems. If the issue still persists, check your internet connection, make sure your device has enough storage space, and verify that the date and time are set automatically, as incorrect settings can also prevent the Play Store from connecting to Google servers.